In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Asana Gantt chart in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to streamline your project management process by exporting your Gantt chart from Asana, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the steps. First, let's get started by navigating to your Asana account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Asana's login page. Once there, simply enter your email address associated with your Asana account. This will help ensure that your login is secure and that you have access to all your projects. After entering your email, you'll need to click on the Continue button. This will take you to the next page where you'll enter your password. Be sure your password is correct, as this is crucial for accessing your projects without any hassle. Once you've done that, click Login. Now that you're on your Asana homepage, it's time to select the specific project you want to export as a Gantt chart. Browse through your list of projects and click on the one you're interested in. Once you've opened the project, look for the Project Actions drop-down, which is usually found near the top of the page. In this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Export Print. Click on it to proceed, and within this section, choose CSV as your export format. CSV files are easy to work with and can be opened in most spreadsheet applications like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. After you've made your selection, download the file and open it in Excel. This allows you to view and manipulate your project data with ease. For those who prefer a more visual representation, Instagantt offers another excellent way to export your Gantt charts from Asana. To use Instagantt, connect your Asana project by following the integration steps on their website. Once your project is linked, you can manage your tasks in a timeline view directly in Instagantt. In Instagantt, simply click on Export and Share to start the export process. This option gives you flexibility in terms of choosing your preferred export format. Hopefully by following these steps, you can now easily export your Gantt chart from Asana, either via CSV or by utilizing Instagantt. Whether you're preparing reports for a meeting or just keeping track of your progress, having your data readily available and accessible is always a benefit. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy project managing.